Good afternoon, YouTube. It's Frank from Frank's Garage. Today we're dealing with Saturn View with some hub bearings that are stuck in the knuckle. As you can see, this is the left side. The corrosion is something you just don't see every day. Beating on it, jacking it, pushing on it, sledgehammer, you name it. 4-pound maul, still didn't do it. So I came up with a little plan. You take a wheel stud, you punch it out, you line it up where you want it, you drill it out a little bit for a 1/2-inch bolt, you put a nut on the backside and a plate to back up against. Look at the gap. I've been fiddling with this for only a couple of minutes. I'm sure it's just as stuck as the other side. So I can't really demonstrate it because I need both hands to do the job. I hope this helps somebody down the path, and thanks again for watching Frank's Garage.